Okay, so another example of the same thing would be find cotangent of theta if sine of theta equals 2/3. Thank you. If sine of theta equals 2/3 and theta terminates in quadrant 2. Sure, no problem. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use the Pythagorean identity that I know that goes with sine. So that's sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. And I'm going to substitute in sine because that's what I know. So 2/3 squared plus cosine squared equals 1. 2/3 square, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. Okay? And then I'm going to subtract 4/9 to get rid of the 4/9. So that would be 1 minus 4/9, or 9/9 minus 4/9, which is 5/9. How do I solve when it's squared? I don't want it squared, so what am I going to do? What do I do to get rid of the squared? Square root both sides, and I have to take a plus or minus, correct? So I say plus or minus, and root 5 cannot be reduced, but can square root of 9 be reduced? Into 3. Good. So we're going to look at our thing. It says, and theta terminates in quadrant 2. So we're in quadrant 2 again. All students take calculus. In quadrant 2, only sign is supposed to be positive. So which am I going to use? The negative one. Now, if you look at the problem says we want to find cotangent. Did I find cotangent? No, so I still have some work I have to do, but I got some easy work. Because cotangent theta, if I look back to my ratio identities, is the same as cosine theta over sine theta. Do I have cosine theta? Do I have sine theta? So I can do this problem then. Cotan theta is cosine, so negative root 5/3 divided by sine, which is 2/3. So we take the top one, and then how do we do the division? We multiply by what? The reciprocal of the bottom, so 3/2. What cancels? Good. So I get negative root 5/2. And that's my answer. So, you have to be aware of what they're asking for. You may find one answer and you may use it to find the answer that you're actually looking for. So we have to look at the reciprocal identities, the ratio identities, and the Pythagorean identities. Now, let's say the problem asked us, alright, find all 6 trig functions. At this point, it would be easy, because I'll write out what we have. So we have sine theta equals 2/3, cosine theta equals negative root 5/3, and then we have cotangent theta equals negative root 5/2. So I'm going to fill in the rest of them, and we're going to get the rest of them using our evil twins. So since cotangent and tangent are the evil twins, what is tangent going to be? Yep. 2 over negative root 5. Good. What's cosecant going to be? 3/2. And what's secant going to be? 3 over negative root 5. And that would be getting all 6 of them. So this problem only asks you for cotangent. However, I showed you how to get all 6 because other problems will ask you how to get all 6. Once you have 3 of them, it's really easy to get the rest.